The arrested commandant of the SF-10 in Meghalaya, Gabriel Iangrai, who was recently arrested due to alleged misappropriation of funds in the construction of the NERS or the National Emergency Response System building at Sadar police station in Shillong, was produced in court on Saturday after a raid was conducted at his residence on the 3rd of November. In its decision, the Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate has directed the police to remand Ïangrai into 7 days custody for further interrogation by the police before he is produced again in court on the 12th of November 2022.
I'm thankful to God for keeping me safe from the vultures and crows on also today's morning. And one more thing I want to ask, please.
Since you have been charged with corruption, is there any other officers involved?
See, is like as of now, I believe in the process of law, and media please do not convict me for trial.
Please stop.